So hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me Alexa, the lady extraordinaire, and I'm back from my Chanel store. I went there yesterday and I got myself this item, and when I went back home and I was supposed to unbox it, something really shocking happened. It looks kind of used. Oh my god, it's been leaking. It's been leaking, you guys. Oh man, why does this happen? How? I really hope they can exchange these because I cannot have this. I mean, and also another thing, you see, it's kind of like you 1/10 used already. It's supposed to be full, right? And look at the box there, it's broken. I mean, look at that. Look at that. The parfum has gone sort of, it's been leaking and it's been drying. It's a little bit tacky. What is this? And look at the residue like in there. Oh man. Yes. So I had to go back again and I got a new one. So this is hopefully gonna be a proper unboxing. First the freebies. I got myself this cream, Le Lift Crème Riche. I think it's an eye cream, and I got this classic, really awesome Sublimage face cream. That's cute. That's nice. And now for the real item. Here it is in all its glory. 200 ml, 6.8 fluid ounces. It's a simple box, very elegant, truly beautiful. Batch code 6301, and it's Le Lion de Chanel Eau de Parfum. So now let's see how this unboxing goes, because the last time you saw it, it was horrible. I was shocked to my very core, honestly. I was really like messed up. Luxury is not supposed to be this hard, honestly. So here goes. And I'm gonna be really careful about this one, because a 200 ml bottle is quite heavy. So I'm gonna, for some reason I like to keep these plastic wrappers. So here is the sturdy, beautiful cardboard box, as you saw, and now let's see how it opens. Looking good so far, honestly. Looking really good so far. A little bit dusty, Probably from the paper. I can already smell it, you guys. Now let's see. Oh, it's glorious. It is really beautiful. Let's check the inside. Yes, I don't know what's going on, but you see that? It was the same on my first box. I don't know what's going on, you guys. But by far, this is so much better. You can see it's a full bottle. It does smell a bit of the parfum, but I think that's probably natural. Now let's test spray this right there. I like my stuff pristine, you know what I mean? And considering the price, I think I'm entitled to flawless, goods. But it appears Chanel cannot deliver, and I've never had issues with them when I order online. It's just that the stores, I don't know what's going down. I don't know what's going on. And also, this is a batch code 6301. It's from last year. No, even 1 year and 6 months back, I do believe. So it's not a completely new batch code. I don't know if that's a problem. Yes, but I'm just gonna let this go. Honestly, I don't want more fuss. I don't want more stress. I'm just happy to have my Le Lion de Cianel with me. And so, yes, that was the video for today. Thanks for watching. Ciao.